Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Prisha. As you know, we started English Grammar, the series. So today is class 2, complete simple sentences. By the way, do you know what a complete simple sentence is? It is a sentence which has a subject and a predicate. Let's take a few examples. Anna sings. Who sings? Anna. What does Anna do? Sings. Next, my older brother plays the drums. Who plays the drums? My older brother. What does my older brother do? Plays the drums. So in these two sentences, there is a subject and a predicate. That makes a complete simple sentence. Okay, let's try this. So let's take the first one. Dad cooked. Who cooked? Dad. What did Dad do? He cooked. Yeah, this is a complete simple sentence. Next, Harry's birthday. There's no predicate. Only subject, but a complete simple sentence needs a subject and a predicate, so it's wrong. Number 3, ate 3 slices of cake. Who ate 3 slices of cake? No one. It's not written. That means it is wrong. There's no subject. The subject is missing. Jen and Bobby danced. Who danced? Jen and Bobby. What did Jen and Bobby do? They danced. Correct. It has a subject and a predicate. Underline each complete simple sentence. Let's go. Chops peppers. Harry chops peppers. Who chops peppers? Harry. So, Harry chops peppers makes sense. Stirs the soup. Nan stirs the soup. Nan is the subject, and stirs the soup is the predicate. So, it's correct. Nan stirs the soup. My brother sets the table. My brother sets the table makes sense because what does my brother do? He sets the table. So, it's correct. Next, circle the part of the sentence that is missing. Grandma and Mama. They are the subjects, but the predicate's missing. So, circle predicate. Next, eat the soup. Who eat the soup? The subject's missing. Oh no! Let's go to the next one. Here you have to understand the word order in sentences. When a sentence tells some things, the subject comes first. The predicate of a sentence should come next, after the subject. Let's take an example. Incorrect word order. Told stories we. It's not correct because it says the subject should come first, but instead the predicate is coming first. Not correct. Correct word order. We is the subject. Told stories is the predicate. Okay, this is correct. Now, let's go to the last exercise. Draw a line under each sentence that has the correct word order. The family eats snacks. The family is the subject. Eat snacks is the predicate. Correct. Lusa baked a cake. Lusa, the subject. Baked a cake, the predicate. Correct. Blows out candles Nick. Huh? Blows out candles is a predicate, and Nick is the subject. Boo boo, it's wrong. The children play games. Children, the subject. The play games, the predicate. That's correct. All eat together, we. We is the subject, and all eat together is the predicate. Boo boo, it's wrong. Papa opened gifts. Yeah, Papa is the subject, and then open gifts is the predicate. Correct. So much he enjoyed them. Then, he, what? It should be in the first, not in the middle. Wrong. They ate dessert later. They, the subject, ate dessert later, the predicate. Perfect. I hope you learned what complete simple sentence is, and I hope you like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button. If you love it, then please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. If your friends are learning English, then please share my channel with them. See you in the next class. Bye!